In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use dependencies in ClickUp. If you've ever had a task that can't start until another one is finished, dependencies are the simplest way to make that relationship crystal clear for your team and your schedule. Start on the overview page of your team space inside your workspace. This is the home base that gives you a snapshot of what's happening, and it's the easiest place to jump into the exact area where you want dependencies available. Next, open the project where you'll be tracking the work. Make sure you're in a view that shows tasks in a table or list with column headers across the top. That's important because we're about to add a new column that lets you see and manage dependencies without opening every task. Look to the far right of your column headers and click the plus icon, sometimes labeled Add Column. If your screen is narrow, you might need to scroll horizontally to find it. This opens the menu for adding fields to the view. Choose Create Field. This is where you add new fields to your project's view so everyone sees the same information in the same place. Creating it here means the field appears as a column for quick access and consistent tracking. In the search bar that appears, type the word dependencies. You're looking for ClickUp's built-in dependencies field. This field is designed to connect tasks as blocking, blocked by, or waiting on each other, which helps prevent work from starting prematurely and keeps timelines aligned. Toggle the dependencies field on. If you're prompted to apply it to just this view or more broadly, pick the option that matches how your team works. Adding it to the current view is great for testing. Applying it more widely helps standardize your process across the project. You should now see a dependencies column in your task table. If it doesn't appear right away, try scrolling the header bar, checking column visibility settings, or refreshing the view. On some view types, you may also find the dependencies control inside the task details panel, so keep an eye out there as well. From here, the field is ready to use. The visual column makes it easy to confirm at a glance which tasks are linked, spot blockers before they become problems, and coordinate handoffs between teammates. As a best practice, keep task names clear, avoid creating circular relationships, and review dependencies when you update due dates so everything stays in sync. That's it. You've added and enabled dependencies in your project, setting your team up for smoother sequencing and fewer surprises.